Hello everyone and welcome to the first ever episode of Jamaica Live at 5. I'm Javon.
And I'm Danielle, and let's just get into it. So at number 5 we have the Office of Utilities Regulation enforcing a policy that they have that says that utility companies should advise its customers on outages. And this was hot off the flow 15-hour outage.
That affected me.
Nobody, did you say nobody was able to reach out to make calls, receive calls, or use their data, and they're saying that this should not be. Companies should actually say when there's going to be an outage, and companies have begun to
issue releases and so forth.
There have been more releases in terms of this, but it doesn't fix the problem of the outages, where there are outages in the first place. That's weird.
Yeah, and in light of that darkness, at number 4, we have the Christmas tree lighting ceremony that happened at the St. William Grand Park in downtown Kingston. I was there, Jamaica Live was there, and if you didn't see the live stream, you can check it out on our Facebook page. It was a fun event.
Yeah.
It was exciting and families were there, and you could come with your kids and go on the rides and so forth. Many political figures was there, the mayor, the junior mayor, and everyone that paid an interest was there. And the event, you had the celebrities and the popular artists such as Ding Dong, Shensia, and many other artists on the lineup, and it was a good start to the Christmas holidays.
So speaking of starts and events and all of these things, at number 3 we have Unruly Fest happening tonight.
You're going?
Happening tonight in St. Thomas, held by popular entertainer Popcaan. Trying to make St. Thomas great again.
Maybe.
Basically, trying to put St. Thomas on the map in terms of tourism. The concert features the likes of Protege, Sanchez, Bounty Killer, for all the killer fans out there like myself. Headlining the show, Miss World said that she's going to be there.
Yeah, it's on her agenda.
It's on her agenda. We have the international artists, although they're supposed to be surprise artists. There are some speculations about the international artists that will be headlining the concert. Some people saying that Drake is going to come back because he headlined the concert last year. They're saying that Rihanna is going to come that Baby is going to come. A lot of international artists, like speculation. So just comment below and let us know who you think the international artist or artist will be headlining the show tonight.
Yeah. And speaking of Miss World, at number 2,
Toni-Ann Singh from Jamaica is crowned Miss World 2019.
Congratulations, Toni-Ann Singh. We must congratulate her. I think the main reason why she won is because she was real. Like, she presented herself as a real person. She can sing, that talent. When I heard
sorry, Mr. Toni-Ann, you have to carry it home.
Yes.
You have to carry it home, girl.
We must congratulate her for bringing back the crown to Jamaica. And number 1, of course, in the news, you have heard about Trump's impeachment.
Donald J. Trump, President of the United States, has been the 3rd ever president in U.S. history to be impeached. Now, impeached doesn't mean that he is not the president anymore, that he's outside of office. It just means that basically they have gathered enough evidence to say that he's not fit to be the president of the United States. And they have to go to the Senate and do a whole trial and everything with the evidence that they have gathered to actually get him out of office. There was a tweet going around saying it's basically when you find out about your boyfriend cheating and you bring the evidence to your homegirls and they say yes, he's cheating, but you have to bring it to his friends so that they say that he's cheating. So basically that's the whole process.
And the political climate in the US can affect us as Jamaicans and as small island development state. The economical state, the political state, all of that happening now will affect us.
Listen, when I heard that he's officially impeached, like this is real, the first thing come to my mind now, what go on with the visa them?
Yeah.
What go happen to the Jamaican dollar
The
because
dollar.
it's skyrocketed.
Yeah.
And, you know, as the US sneeze, we get affected. So we just have to sit back and like actually watch this play out and watch the implications that it have for the US allies basically, because anything that happens there affect us and all of their allies.
Yeah. So there you have it, the top 5 stories. And just to recap, at number 5 we have
the OUR stipulating that utility companies should warn consumers about outages.
And number 4,
The Christmas tree lighting ceremony.
and number 3, Unruly Fest.
Yes, we're excited for those.
And number 2, Miss World. Congratulations again. And at number 1,
Donald J. Trump has been impeached.
so there you have it. The top 5 stories for the week, and we want to hear your views. Just comment below and like our page. Join us on the multiple platforms on Instagram at Jamaica Live News and on Facebook at Jamaica Live. And as we go, we want to wish you a Merry Christmas.